Hi. Today we will discuss on how pulverized coal combustion takes place in blast furnace. Evaporation of moisture. At the initial stage, coal contains inherent moisture that must be removed before further reactions can occur. As the coal particle is injected into a hot environment, moisture rapidly evaporates due to the heat transfer from the surroundings. This is a purely physical process that does not involve any chemical change. Preheating, near burner nozzle. The air and pulverized coal, PC, mixture enters the combustion chamber. The coal particles are heated by radiative and conductive heat transfer from the surrounding gases and flame. This prepares the coal for volatile release. Volatile matter evolution and ignition, 400 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. As the coal particle temperature increases above 400 degrees Celsius, the volatile matter starts evolving through pyrolysis. The volatile matter, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane etc., ignites, forming a visible flame. A rapid temperature increase occurs due to radiative heat transfer from the flame. Ignition is marked by an intense combustion of released volatiles, leading to a peak temperature of 1000 to 1700 degrees Celsius. Volatile combustion. The evolved volatiles combust with oxygen in the air, producing heat and combustion gases, carbon dioxide, moisture, carbon monoxide. This combustion dominates in the initial stage and plays a significant role in temperature rise. Flame formation occurs during this phase. End of volatile evolution and char combustion initiation. Once most of the volatile matter is burned, a solid carbon-rich residue, char, remains. The remaining char starts reacting with oxygen in the following reaction: C plus O2 is equals to CO2. This is an exothermic reaction that sustains high temperatures. Char combustion, completion of reaction. Char burns more slowly than volatiles because the reaction is limited by oxygen diffusion to the surface of the particle. Char oxidation occurs at high temperatures but lower reaction rates compared to volatile combustion. Some char may not completely burn and remains as fly ash, unburned fraction. The final combustion gases contain carbon dioxide, moisture, and residual unburnt carbon. Key observations. Volatile ignition happens first, producing a high-temperature flame. Char combustion occurs after volatile matter is burned off, taking longer to complete. Fly ash represents unburnt fractions, which depend on combustion efficiency. The temperature peaks between 1000 to 1700 degrees Celsius during volatile combustion. Heat transfer mechanisms, radiation, conduction, convection, play a crucial role throughout the process.